Good morning, children. How are you? Now, today's Teachers' Day celebration. So, a small message to all of you. Just listen. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devor Maheshwara. गुरुर साक्षात परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। अर्थात गुरु ब्रह्मा है, गुरु विष्णु है, गुरु ही शंकर है, गुरु ही साक्षात परब्रह्म है। उन सद्गुरु को प्रणाम। So dear children, every year 5th of September we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with lots of excitement, joy and happiness as students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why are they special to them. It is my honor to talk about our dear students on this wonderful occasion. Nice. Hello dear students. Hope you are all doing well and safe at your homes. This Teachers' Day, because of the pandemic, we all will be celebrating virtually. But we will surely be missing the enthusiasm with which you all put up different shows. So to make sure that we have zeal even this time, we thought that what can be a better way than sending our blessing to our students through this small video message. We all just want to take this opportunity to thank all of you students for keeping your calm and staying strong during these tough times, and for coordinating with all the teachers and making our online classes a success, as we all understand how difficult it would have been for you all. We are proud of our students to handle it all so well. Keep it up and continue this hard work the same way, so we come out of these time even stronger and smarter. All our blessings are with you. Take care of you and your family. Keep rising and shining. बच्चों, अब एक छोटी सी कविता हमारे सबकी तरफ से शिक्षकों को समर्पित। रोज सुबह मिलते हैं इनसे, क्या हमको करना ये बतलाते हैं, लेके तस्वीरें इंसानों की सही गलत का भेद हमें ये बतलाते हैं। कभी डांट तो कभी प्यार से कितना कुछ हमको ये समझाते हैं। हे भविष्य देश का जिनमें उनका सबका भविष्य ये बताते हैं। हे रंग कहीं इस जीवन में रंगों की दुनिया से पहचान ये करवाते हैं। खो न जाएं भीड़ में कहीं हम, हमको हमसे ही ये मिलवाते हैं। हार हार के फिर लड़ना ही जीत है सच्ची, ऐसा एहसास ये हमको करवाते हैं। कोशिश करते रहना हर पल, जीवन का अर्थ हमें ये बतलाते हैं। देते हैं नेक मंजिल भी हमें, राह भी बेहतर हमें दिखलाते हैं। देते हैं ज्ञान जीवन का, काम यही सब है इनका। ये शिक्षक कहलाते हैं, ये शिक्षक कहलाते हैं। So my dear children, from last 6 months, I have missed you a lot, and I really appreciate the effort that you all are putting up each day. I have told this before also and repeating it, that in case you need any help in your studies or in any other things, you can always reach out to me. Thanks a lot. Once again, Happy Teachers' Day. Bye.